Welcome to Supplemental Materials for MET 120 Computer-Aided Drafting. Today I would like to show you some dimensioning examples. So I will go here to the tab Annotate and I will select dimensioning because I would like to show you how you can create multiplied dimensions for this case. So I will select the power dimension. And like you see here, I have three different projections. So I will start with dimensioning the overall dimension. So for example, this dimension I can place here, 35, or I can put the same exact dimension here, or the same 35 would be here or here. This is very wrong, so whatever you decide, just make sure you pick only one of these. So I will delete 3. And then I can dimension another dimension. So for example, this one can be either here or here. Or I can make the same dimension here. Just a second. So if I go back, or I can make it down there. So whatever you decide, just make sure you keep only one. So I will put 40 here. And then the third dimension, I can put maybe here the height here. I could put the same dimension over here from this side. Or I can add a dimension here, either from left to the right. So you see in this case, what I have right now is the following dimensions, 35 by 30 by 40. And then I will concentrate on what I have here, like the shapes that I can see something is missing. So in this case, I have here one square, which is missing, and here I have one rectangle, which is missing. If you can imagine having, for example, this part as missing part. So if I would add here a hatch, you would be able to see what actually I'm thinking about. So for example, this one, or you see this one is here also a missing part. So if I add hatch here, so these two places are the places where I can actually see these two, the square and the rectangle. And the way that I would dimension these two, I can measure their, for example, the width. So for this one it's 10, and for the other one it would be 30. And then the height. So this would be 10 and the other one would be 20. So you see, in this way, this is very useful if you would like to dimension what you actually want to remove. So it's very nice for the machining. But dimensioning the size, that's not enough. You also have to dimension the location. So in this case, you see this dimension 10. I will have to add either something from the left here, 20, or I will add dimension from here to here. Having all three of them, it's wrong. So either delete 20 on the left or 10 on the right. So something like this. And I don't need another dimension because this one is really lying on this lower line. So I don't actually need that. So to dimension this missing part here, I will actually just need these two, 10 and so I don't need the shape. So you see like this. So 10 and 10 are telling me the size of this square and 20 is for the location. And for this other one, 30 and 20 are size and I don't need location because this one is in the corner. It shares the corner with its existing material. So I will delete the sketch and this is basically what you would like to see. But the way it is right now, this has to be attached to the part. So you see, I could dimension what I'm going to remove, like I did here, or I can dimension what I have left, but don't add two of these, both of these. So either what you have left, this is easier to understand for the quality control, or like I mentioned before, what you want to remove. So this would be example 1. And I would like to show you two other examples. Example 2. So again, maximum dimensions. So I might start here. This one. I can add dimension here. And I need height, so I can add height here. And since here I can actually see very nicely what I don't have here, so I can measure what I have left, for example. This is easier for quality control, so I will add here 10, and I can add here 10. And here again, I can measure what I have left. So I can measure this, and here what I removed. And then I need a height for this one. I can put it either here, or I could put it here to the right. And in terms of this one, here actually I would like to measure the angle. So I can select here the angular. Here I click on the line and the other line and whatever angle I have here. And here I would like to measure the radius. And this is all I need for this drawing, basically, nothing else. So you see, it would be the best if you would be able to measure shapes where you actually see them. So if I measure the radius, wherever I see the circle, I will put R10 here, not here, where I see the line. And same stands if you have a triangle missing, or rectangle in this case, or rectangle in that case. And at the end, I would like to show you example 3. So again, I will start with the maximum dimensions, one over here, the height. And sorry, this is a little bit wrong. So I will just fix this. View is not good. This one should be here. And then this one should be here. Move from here to there. Okay, now it looks good. And I'll go to annotate, power dimension. I need height. I can put height maybe here. And I can dimension what I have left here. You see I have here that rectangular shape here. And I need overall dimension over there. And I can dimension here what I have left. And I can dimension here what is missing maybe. And then I need all I need at the end is angle here. Like this. And this is all you need for this dimension. And if you see somewhere maybe something is busy, you might maybe remove this dimension and then move it to another location. Like I said, 40, you can put it on 4 different locations. Here, here, there, and down there. Thank you for watching.